So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the rent calculator here on Zumper. So once you open up Zumper, go to the top right, press on these three little lines right here, and then just scroll down to where it says applications or renting resources. Go ahead and press on that. Then where it says rent calculator right here, simply go ahead and press on that. So once you're here, you can go ahead and see the location. So we'll just go ahead here and type in New York City and your pre-tax income. So for example, if you're making, $100,000, you can go ahead and do that for the year. And if you wanted to enter your expenses, let's say you spend $3,000 a month, you can go ahead and press on calculate my rent. Now, once you're here, it'll show you your rental budget right here, as well as a breakdown of that, and also too some options that may fit the criteria of your listing. So very simple, very straightforward. But this is how to use a rent calculator on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.